Hi everyone, Uplands Car Radios here in Cardiff. You join me in this 2014 Nissan Note where we've just finished fitting this KENWOOD DMX6523DABS. This model has wired and wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. So this now is bringing the car into 2025, bringing Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, things like Siri, Hey Google, stuff like that works with this as well. Come up with there. Some more features of this radio include digital radio as well. Down. Some of the channels you put on for the customer just by there. Come up with here. Some more features of this radio include wireless mirroring for Android, FM, AM radio as well, Bluetooth audio for phones that aren't Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, has a USB input. We've kept the original USB working in the glove box. We've also kept the steering wheel controls working as well. This model comes with a 3-year extended warranty if installed by a pro install dealer such as ourselves. If this is something you're interested in for your vehicle, please let us know.